Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is obviously, by the caption you guys already know, it's a Kylie inspired look. Recently she launched a birthday collection, and her birthday collection, I think it's based on money or whatever it is. So her collection has a lot of greens and pinks and corally colors. The look she posted on her page and on Kylie Cosmetics was this look. I fell in love with the look instantly. I'm like, I need to recreate this look. And there are not many looks that I recreate or that I think I want to recreate, but this one I had to recreate. I don't know, it's just so beautiful and it was just screaming Estefania. And this is the way it looks. Isn't it so pretty? And I think I did okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Please keep watching if you want to see how I create this beautiful look and what I use to recreate this look. So stay tuned. I look crazy right now. So I have 3 palettes here that I'm going to be playing with. I have the Morphe Artistry palette. I have the new Profusion palette, which is the Mirage palette, and this retails for $13. It's a really beautiful palette and it looks like this. It has so many beautiful shades. And also I'm using the Morphe to create 39A, and yeah, I'm gonna be playing around with these two. And jumping right into the eyeshadow. From what I see from the picture, she used the greens, used mattes and shimmers, and she also used a pop of like pinkish corally color underneath the eye area. So the Morphe, I thought it would be a great palette to use because it has that kind of green that she has on, which is the matte green. So we're gonna go ahead right into that green, and that's gonna be our transition shade and our shade that we're gonna be playing with on the crease. Let me get my blending brushes. I'm gonna be using this brush, the Blending 811 brush by the Egg Show, and then one of these brushes, I don't know what the name is, I forgot. So I'm gonna head and go into that deep green, and I did prime my eyes using the CoverGirl True Blend concealer, which I've been loving. So I'm going to put that right into the crease and start blending that in circular motions. Make sure you blend it well because it looks very well blended. From what I see in the picture as well, mostly on this area, she doesn't extend it as much because she is playing around with a wing. And her eye shape is very different than mine, so I'm going to try and work as much as I can creating this. So this is the small tapered blending brush by Jessup, and this is just very like dense and precise, so it blends out like you don't even know. I love this brush. I have to say, for years the tapered blending brush by Sigma was my favorite. Then over the years I found that it was too big to get, you know, like into the crease area, so this one is just about like half the size, which is just perfect to blend. So after you have the green, she kind of has it like cut. It's not really like a cut crease, like angled cut crease, but it's really cut and defined right here on the eyelid. So what you're gonna do is add concealer and just cut right in and make like an ovally shape, like, you know, like a sun or something like that. It's kind of difficult to explain, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm going to take a very small brush. I'm just going to apply that right on the middle of the lid, and I'm also going to take some of that concealer and apply it to the brush. I'm going to start cutting it and making an even line throughout the lid. And one thing that I like to do is place the brush right into where I see that the cut is, and I like to kind of like drag it down. That way I don't get into the upper area, and it's very helpful. I find it to help me with I'm cutting my crease. Okay, so that's kind of the shape that I'm getting with my eye shape. Every eye shape is different, so you have to see what works for you. That's basically it for the little cut action that we have there. For the green color, I'm going to be using #after from the 15T palette, which is this right here. I think that is the perfect green for this look. I'm going to apply that right where I applied all of the concealer. So after you apply the green eyeshadow on the lid, you're gonna go in and blend out the darker green and make sure that it's well blended, because she does have that darker green color very well blended. I see that she did bring it over here into the inner corner, and I'm trying to blend this here as well, just because it's kind of weird for me to bring a color so deep into the inner corner, but because it's a cut as well, I understand. Now that that's done, we're gonna do the wing, and she has a very skinny wing, so I'm going to try and make it as long and skinny because it's not that like dramatic. It's just very nice and thin and a beautiful wing. Okay, now that we have the wing, now it's basically the under eye area and the inner corner, which she has a little bit of highlight in the inner corner, and we're done with the eye look. On the under eye area, she has kind of like a pink peachy eyeshadow, and it is very beautiful. So I decided that I wanted to use Raj palette for the pink and corally color. I'm gonna start off with the pink. I'm gonna apply the corally color just because I feel like it's a hot pink that is corally as well. I don't know, it's a weird color which I didn't have, so I wanted to make sure that I make it look as close as the color as possible. It never like gives me watermelon vibes. In a nude eyeliner in the waterline, just because I don't see an eyeliner in her waterline. And I'm just gonna go in with that eyeshadow and go right into the eyeliner and just make it blend so that it looks like you're wearing the same color in the waterline. Her line was very precise on the bottom of the eye, but I'm like so picky, so I like to blend it out, but I'm just not going to try and blend it out too much. I just want to make sure that it's not just sitting there, you know. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Grande Drama mascara. Okay, for the highlight of the brow bone and inner corner, I'm going to be using the Ofra Soho highlighter, and she's a beauty. I love her. Her inner corner is very light. You can see that she applied a highlighter, but it's not intense. It's a touch of highlight. And I like my highlight popping, but you know. And I don't even know if she has highlight on her brow bone. Let's see. I don't think she does, but it's okay. Little highlight won't hurt. Almost done. And then we're gonna add blush and the lippy. I'm gonna be using the So Wispy Lashes by IMB by Kiss. While the lashes dry, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. And today I'm using a blush by Jane Cosmetics, and this is the Pink Bouquet. And she has a very pink cheek. So I'm excited. I love blush. A lot of people don't like blush. This is how it looks. I'm gonna be focusing more on this pink right here. But like I was saying, a lot of people don't like blush. And I am big on blush. Like, I'll wear blush any day. But a lot of people don't like it. So to each his own. But I'm going to be using this very fluffy brush because I'm going to be focusing that a lot on apples of the cheek. Pulling it into the apples of the cheek. That is so pretty. Okay, now that the lashes are in, we're gonna go in with the lippy, and I noticed she has like a corally lippy. It's very like corally and glossy. So I got a corally lipstick and just a regular gloss. And let's see how it looks. So this is by Mood Matcher, and it's a liquid lipstick, and it's the Coral Crush, and it looks like this. So I'm going to very lightly apply a little bit. I'm basically just applying a little bit and making sure that blends into the lips. I'm even going to dab it with my finger. I think that's the perfect color. So then I'm going to be applying the Stay Glossy Lip Gloss by Rimmel. I think I nailed the color. I'm obsessed. So I know she has her hair to the side. She doesn't like doing her hair, so we're gonna skip that step. We're just gonna leave it loose. But yeah, this is actually the finished look, and I hope I did good. Let's compare it real quick. How do you think I did? Did I nail it or no? I think I did pretty good. So yes, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recreation of Kylie's look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much.